Hi thinkers, welcome to Math Thinker. Today we are solving some basic but tricky questions on LCM and HCF, a topic that appears in almost every competitive exam. These questions may look simple, but they test your concept, clarity and speed. So before jumping in, if you haven't watched my introduction to LCM and HCF video, I have added the link in the description. Watch that first so you are clear with the basics. Now let's begin with the questions. See, I have carefully chosen the questions from the quantitative aptitude question bank. These are commonly asked in competitive exams. So if you practice this, then you are in a right path. So at last I am giving you some important questions which will help you to practice and will come to know how much you understood the topic. So let's begin. See the first question. Find the highest common factor of 36 and 84. See, don't solve like this by taking the factors and all. The easy trick to this question is divide bigger number by smaller number. 36 2s are 72. You will get remainder 12. Again take the remainder as divisor and this 36 as a dividend. Now 12 3s are 36 0 0. So here HCF is 12. Option C is the right answer. See, till you get remainder as 0, you should repeat the division like this. So the last quotient will be the HCF. See the next question. The LCM of 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 into 11, comma 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2 into 7 and 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 2 into 11 is, see, I have already said you in the introduction part that the LCM of the numbers will be highest powers of the all the factors. So you have to take the highest powers of all the factors. See here 2 to the power 3 is there, 2 to the power 4 is there, 2 to the power 5 is there. So this is the highest, take it. 2 to the power 5 into, here 3 to the power 2 is there, 3 to the power 4 is there, 3 to the power 3 is there. So 3 to the power 4 is the highest, take that, and like this only. Here 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3. This is the highest, take this, 5 to the power 3 into, here 7 is not there, here 7 is there, here 7 to the power 2 is there. This is the highest, take this, 7 to the power 2 into, here 11 is there, here 11 is there, here 11 is not there. Take the 11 as it is. So the answer is option D. So always LCM will be the highest powers of the all the factors. See the next question. The HCF of 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 64 by 81 and 10 by 27 is. So in the previous video I said that to find the HCF of fraction we should do HCF equal to HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. So this is the formula. This question you can solve only by observing the options without actually solving these all. First see option C and option D. Generally HCF is smaller than the LCM. So but here HCF is 160 by 3. Here also HCF is 160 by 81. So these both options will not come as the HCF is greater than the LCM, which is not correct. So check option A and option B. In the first option, 3 cannot be the LCM of these numbers. So option B is the right answer. See, some questions can be answered only with the logic. See the next question. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 12 and 336 respectively. If one of the numbers is 84, the other is. I have already said you in the previous video that product of two numbers will always be equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So as they have given one number as 84, take 84, we don't know B, LCM is 336 into HCF is 12. So B will be 336 into 12 by 84. 12 ones are 12 sevens are 7 ones are 48. So B equal to 48. Option B is the right answer. So remember this formula because it is commonly asked in competitive exams. See the next question. Three numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3 and the HCF is 12. The numbers are, the ratio is 1:2:3, which means 1x, 2x, 3x. X means common factor. So it will be HCF. As they have given HCF as 12, take x equal to 12. Now substitute this here. It will be 12, 24, 36. So option D is the right answer. See the next question. The sum of two numbers is 216 and their HCF is 27. The numbers are. Before solving, first see the options. If you add this, how much you will get? See, 27 plus 189 is 216. 81 plus 189 is 260, which is not the correct option. Cancel B. 108 plus 108 is 216 and 154 plus 162 is 316, which is not the correct option. Cancel the option D. So only check option C and option A. See this option C. As both the numbers are same, then HCF will also be same only. Means 108 only. So option C is also not correct. Then the right option is option A. Let me tell you one thing. If both the numbers are same, then the HCF will be number itself. And another thing I want to tell you is, see, before solving anything, first see the options, because in the options only you'll get the answer. See the next question. The LCM of 22, 54, 108, 135 and 198 is. What are the numbers? 22, 54, 108, 135, 198. See, so many even numbers are there. So first take 2 11s are 27, 54s are 135. Keep it like that only. 99s are. Here so many numbers are divisible by 9. So take 9. 7 keep it as it is. 9 3s are 9 6s are 9 15s are 9 11s are. Now take 3. These are divisible by 3. 7 as it is. 1s are 2s are 5s are and 11s. So lastly take 11. 1 2 5. So now stop it here only. Take these numbers as well as which are left in the division. So LCM is 2 into 9 into 3 into 11 and 2 into 5. So this you calculate easily. Means 2 9s are 18, 11s are 33, 2 5s are 10. See 18 33s are 18 3s are 54. I carry 4. 18 3s are 54. 54 plus 5 is 59. And 0 will come here. Answer is 5940. Option C is the right answer. See, every time don't solve serially. Solve with the logics, which will be help you to save the time. Okay, see the next question. If HCF of P and Q is X and Q equal to XY, then the LCM of P and Q is. Do you remember the before I said one formula? The product of two numbers will always be equal to their LCM into HCF. So here two numbers are P and Q. So P into Q equal to product of their LCM and HCF. But here Q means X into Y. So P X Y equal to LCM we have to find, but they have given HCF as X. So here X get cancels. So PY is the LCM. Option D is the right answer. So that's why I said you to remember this formula, because it is commonly asked in every exam. See the ninth question. The GCD of 1.08, 0.36 and 0.9 is. So tell me what is GCD. I have already said you in the previous video, that is Introduction to LCM and HCF. GCD means greatest common divisor, which is HCF means highest common factor. So HCF is also called as GCD. Now find the HCF of 1.08, 0.36 and 0.9. So you can take two decimal places back, means it will be 108, 36, 90. Now go with the division method. See, every time don't solve by 2 only, 3 only. First see which number will divide all these numbers exactly. See, all these numbers are divided by 9. 9 12s are, 9 4s are, 9 10s are. These all numbers are divided by 2. So take 2. 6 are, 2s are, 5s are. So these all numbers are not divided by only one divisor. So leave it like this only. So our HCF is 9 2s are 18. But this is the right answer? No, as we have taken 2 decimal places away, so we have to keep the decimal back. So 0.88 is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. The last question. The LCM of two numbers is 495 and their HCF is 5. If the sum of the numbers is 100, then their difference is. Do you remember the formula? Product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Here they have given LCM as 495 into HCF is 5. So 5 5s are 25, 9s are 45, 45 plus 2 is 47, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 is 24. So AB equal to 2475. So you know A plus B is 100. They have given here sum of the numbers is 100, but you have to find the A minus B. See, I will tell you one formula. A minus B whole square equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. How this formula came, if you want to know, then let me know in the comments. This is the derivation of the A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square. If you want to know the derivation, then let me know in the comment section so that I will tell you in the next video. But remember this formula, very important. See, A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square is 100, 100 square is 10,000 minus 4AB, 4 into 2475. So 10,000, if you solve this, 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2 is 30, 4s are 16, 16 plus 3 is 19, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So 10,000 minus 9, the 900 is 100. A minus B whole square is 100. A minus C is root of 100, that is 10. So answer is 10. Option A is the right answer. So to simplify the solving of tricky questions, you have to remember the formulas. So here we have solved all the 10 questions. If you haven't understood any of the question, then let me know in the comment section so that I will solve once again in the next video. Last, I am giving you some practice question that you can practice on your own, and which of the question will not come, please tell that question in the comment section so that I will solve in the next video. Pause and take these questions, solve on your own. This is the end of this class. In the next class, I am going to tell intermediate questions on LCM and HCF. If you got even one question wrong, don't worry, it just means you are learning. The trick is simple. Practice the right way. Understand the logic, not just formulas. Make sure to hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more clarity based maths content and drop a comment with your score out of 5. And at last, I am giving you one of my own quotes. One who gets success sooner never tastes it till the end, but the one who gets success later, no one can stop them till the end. So don't worry about not getting success soon. Practice and one day will be yours. So see you in the next video, thinkers. Keep thinking, keep growing.